In today's video, I'm going to show you how to motion track in CapCut PC step by step so you can make text, stickers, images, or overlays follow any moving object in your video with ease. This is a super useful editing trick for making your videos look more professional, more dynamic, and a lot more engaging. Whether you're editing content for YouTube, social media, or short-form videos, motion tracking can help your edits stand out fast. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once it loads, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a video started. If you're working from scratch, click New Project and give CapCut a moment to load the editing workspace. This is where all your media, effects, and editing tools will be available. Next, import the video you want to work on. You can usually do this by clicking the Import option or by dragging your file directly into CapCut. After your video is imported, drag it down onto the timeline. This is important because the timeline is where you'll build your edit and apply motion tracking to the clip. Now that your video is on the timeline, it's time to add the element you want to track. This could be text, a sticker, an image, or even another overlay element. For example, if you want a word to follow a person as they move across the screen, add your text first. If you want a graphic to stay attached to a moving object, add that overlay to your project now. Once your text or overlay is added, select it on the timeline. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted, because motion tracking needs to be applied to the overlay itself, not the main video clip. This is one of the most important steps, since CapCut needs to know which element you want to move with the tracked motion. After selecting the overlay, look over to the right editing panel and click Tracking. In CapCut PC, this is where you'll find the motion tracking controls for the selected layer. When the tracking options open, you'll see a tracking box appear on your preview screen. Now position that tracking box over the object or person you want the overlay to follow. Be as precise as possible here, because the better your tracking point is placed, the more accurate the motion track will be. If you're tracking a face, place it on a clear, stable part of the subject. If you're tracking an object, choose a spot with strong contrast and visible detail so CapCut can follow it more easily. Once the tracking box is in the right place, click Start Tracking. CapCut will begin analyzing the motion in your video, so give it a few moments to process. Depending on the length of your clip and the speed of the movement, this may take a little time. During this step, CapCut is building the movement path so your overlay can follow the object smoothly. When the tracking is finished, preview the result carefully. Play the video back and check whether the text, sticker, or image stays attached to the movement the way you want it to. If the overlay drifts off or doesn't follow correctly, you may need to adjust the tracking point and run it again. Sometimes just moving the box slightly can make a big difference in accuracy. If needed, fine-tune the placement of the overlay itself so it sits naturally on top of the tracked subject. This helps the effect look cleaner and more realistic. You can also adjust the size, position, and timing of the overlay to better match the motion in your clip. And that's how to motion track in CapCut PC. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can instantly level up the quality of your edits. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.